Why are behavioral styles important? Hi, I'm Maile, Collmer, Master Referral Coach. Making an impression that gives you instant credibility and a deeper connection with each person you meet will dramatically increase your results while networking. Your behavioral style affects your referability. People hang out with and generally refer to people they feel comfortable with, leaving a lot of referrals and closed business on the table if you're not paying attention to behavioral styles. When you understand people even better than your own product or service, you'll be unusually successful in business. My workshop, Room Full of Referrals, is designed specifically for networking. You will learn about people in a whole new way. And at the end of the day, you will walk away with the power to understand people so you can compel them to action. If you want more people reaching out to you to build a referral relationship, this program will help them to work with you. And wouldn't that make your life easier? This event offers you the opportunity to, number one, take the training for the first time, or test yourself on how much information you've retained and implemented from last time. Number two, learn with your referral team and increase your referrals and sales for everyone on your referral team. And number three, network with like-minded people who are interested in improving their referral marketing skills. I invite you to join us in person for a Room Full of Referrals. Communicate and network with ease. I'm Maile Collmer, Master Referral Coach. Together, we can accomplish so much more than we can alone.